Welcome, guitar friends, to this finger flexing frenzy. The 1, 2, 3, 4 exercise has stood the test of time as one of the best ways to get shredded on the guitar. It's especially helpful for you late beginner and intermediate guitarists that want to quickly develop strength and coordination in both hands. We call it the 1, 2, 3, 4 because we're simply using the first, second, third, and fourth fingers, and it sounds a little something like this. Now sure, this isn't the most musical exercise, but no pain, no gain, right? Remember that in the guitar world, every day is leg day for your fingers. Before we dive in, here's a few tips. With the fretting hand, you want to make sure that those fingers are nestled up against the frets. That's going to make it so much easier for your notes to ring out. Now you also want to keep your fingers close to the strings and hold each note out as long as possible before you switch to the next note. You could take this as an opportunity to really whip that fourth finger into shape so you don't end up with a serious case of flying pinky syndrome. My last tip for the fretting hand is to check out my hand position. You want to keep your wrist fairly straight. You want to keep your thumb not so much up here, but more right about there in the back of the neck and more or less in line with your first finger. This is going to allow you to play comfortably on all 6 strings without too much movement. All right, now let's talk about the equally important picking hand. We'll start with all downs. And then we'll go into alternate picking. Down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up. Either way, this is gonna really help your pick hand, fretting hand coordination. And you wanna focus on a nice full sound and clean transition from note to note. Now, every great workout needs some variation, so we'll do a few reps of the all downs, some alternate picking, and then we'll switch up the order. Then we'll push your digits to the max with some eighth notes. All right, let's do this. Make sure you're fully hydrated, reach for that volume knob on your plugin, and crank it up. Let's go. Go back up, A string. All right, let's do it again. Let's do alternate. Down, up, down, up. Down, up, down, up. Down, up, down, up. Down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up. Let's do that again. Here we go. A string, down, up, down, up. Okay, 4, 3, 2, 1, all down. Down, down, G string, D string, A string. 4, 3, 2, 1, A string, D string, all down. Let's do that again. Ready, and. A string, D string, okay, let's do that alternate picking. Here we go. Down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up. high string. Great. All right, now let's take a breather. Take a sip of water, stretch it out a little bit, maybe do the wiggle a little bit, give your hands a little stretch. All right, now, remember we talked about the permutations, right? The different combinations that you can do with this to make it more interesting. So I'm just gonna kind of pick one at random. Let's do 3, 2, 1, 4. So it sounds like this. Okay, all right, now here we go. Let's do it starting on so this is the 7th fret. All right, here we go. 1, 2. All downs. 3, 2, 1, 4, 3, 2, 1. Let's do that again. All right, great. Now, just as a little bonus challenge, I'd like to encourage you to try to do this a little bit faster if you're feeling up for it. Let me demonstrate. Go! Okay, now let's try it with alternate picking. Here we go. Yeah, you got it. Let's do it again. And. All right, let's go back to alternate. D string, A string, E string, A string. Whew. Nice workout. All right, thanks a lot for jamming with me on that workout. If you like that workout, it's from the Late Beginner Learning Pathway at Pickup Music. We also have a series of programs that'll take you from beginner, late beginner, intermediate, and late intermediate. And then from there, you can choose from our style-based pathways like rock, jazz, neo-soul, blues, you name it, it's there. And the best part is that each of these has daily practice plans, play-along exercises so you know exactly what to practice, and you can even get one-on-one personalized feedback on your playing from one of the experts on our team here at Pickup Music. So start your free trial with Pickup Music today and see if it makes a difference in your playing.